So I'm about to try the L'Oreal 24-hour lash lifting mascara called Unlimited. Looks like that. That's what the bottle looks like. This is my first time opening it, so. Nice brush. I don't usually love a rubber brush, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm opening it up, or breaking it, I'm not sure which. This thing is supposed to bend somehow. It says, use straight to stretch and lengthen, use bent to lift lashes from root to tip. How do I bend it though? For a panoramic effect. She made this look so easy. Remove. Oh, I am supposed to remove this. Okay. So that's gone. Now it looks like that. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's quite the bend. So I'm gonna try it straight first. If my skin looks oily, it's just because I just put on moisturizer. When I put my mascara on, I haven't curled my lashes. I just want to see what this does on its own. How the formula sits on my lashes, how it goes on, the consistency, how long it lasts. I like to go back and forth. Okay, it's better than a lot that I've used lately. So let's see what it does when it's bent. Get a better application. Keep in mind, I like a well-defined lash. You don't have to put this much on, but you can if you want to. So that's not bad. I don't hate that. This is not a waterproof formula, but I don't care. That is the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara on one eye, and I'm going to do a different mascara, still from L'Oreal, on the other eye. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Blackest Black mascara with primer and mascara on either end. The Unlimited mascara was nice. I didn't know if I liked it at first, but it's definitely growing on me. And it was about $18 before tax in Canada. That's where I live. Now this mascara, it's a long tube, is slightly different because you start with a primer. So the primer looks like that. And from what I've been told, sorry I'm so close to the camera, I just want you to be able to see, and as my camera gets older, I'm losing definition. So you want to coat your lashes with the primer, and everything I've watched and read said you want quite a bit of the primer on. This just helps to condition your lashes before the actual mascara goes on. And it's kind of nice because if you have dark lashes, you can see how much you're applying. It's not a super thick formula. There's no scent. Same with the other mascara, the Unlimited formula. There was no heavy perfume, which is nice. Work it right in there. Okay, that should be enough, I think. We're about to find out. I like this brush quite a bit. It reminds me of the Dior Ultra Curl mascara. I always do this just to take off the excess of the tip so it doesn't go on the inside or the bridge of my nose. Have happened. Find it a little bit tricky to work this brush through my lashes. Now that the primer's on, I feel like there's some pulling going on. I have long lashes, so that's not quite as much of a struggle for me as it might be for some. I use INV lash serum, which you can buy at Primp, my store, if you are in the Northern Ontario area. Yeah, so not a huge fan of this one. I'm finding this very spidery. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. I don't know. I'm trying to work through some of the clumps. It's not too bad, but I'm not like dazzled. I'd be interested in, and I will, but in trying this without the primer to see the difference. So yeah, that was the Voluminous Superstar Blackest Black mascara from L'Oreal on this side, and the Unlimited Blackest Black mascara on this side, and I prefer the Unlimited.